फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
That did not hurt at all.
Your answer was also very easy.
Yes,
But it's
it
okay.
was.
But
Yes.
it's okay.
But yeah.
I've accepted you.
Love to me is Jessica.
Welcome to Mondays with Merchant of Venice. So me, Basanio,
Hi, I'm Portia.
Hi, I'm Antonio.
are going to do a very interesting love triangle test where I will figure out who loves me more. So
Of
Portia,
course I do.
are you ready?
Of course.
And Antonio, are you ready?
Absolutely.
Okay. So last night I did not have a very sound sleep, so I have been a little sleep deprived and immensely sad because of it. So what will you guys do to cheer me up?
Oh dear, why
I
is
can give
that?
you a good massage,
I
like
can
so
take you
can
home, I
help
can
you
cook you
with the scene.
delicious food, and you
I can do
know,
the same
I can
for
blow
you.
you a kiss, and honey, my place or yours.
Are you done?
His massage is doing the thing actually, Portia. So
Saying doesn't matter, like you have to do it.
I do things in private. I don't kiss and tell.
Why do you have to go private because he's your love, you are his love, you are like saying all these things,
Don't
right?
talk shit. I saved you.
I think there is a clear winner now. So Portia,
Fine.
unfortunately you have lost.
Whatever.
I really
Whatever.
thought that you'd do
I
go
really
all
thought
out
you
for the
love
love
me,
that
no?
you had for me, but I think Antonio is the one. So Mondays with Merchant of Venice. Antonio is a clear
Stop
winner
it.
for Bassanio. And Portia, next time be a little more
Just don't
wild.
be sleep
We can
deprived.
say that फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
Hey everyone, I am Lorenzo of the Merchant of Venice, and today we have my very own Jessica with us.
Hi guys. So Lorenzo in the last video just said that he would not leave his father for Jessica. And in the play, if you see, Jessica has actually left her father for Lorenzo. So Lorenzo, do you think I've made a mistake leaving my father for you?
No, I'm sure even I would have done that in the same spot.
Okay, and you also said that you would also not change your religion for Jessica. I mean, Jessica has left her father, Jessica has changed the religion, and Lorenzo is not ready to do anything. Why that?
Oh, come on, I love you, Jessica. Not the religion, but I stand by your decision on this. So, yeah.
Okay, and you were also asked one question of kill, marry, and hook up, and you chose to hook up with Portia. You, like Shubham, would have, dropped the question of hook up, but you chose to hook up with Portia. So, what's the say with that?
I am sure I said Jessica and not Portia.
No, you just marry Jessica and hook up with Portia.
Oh my god. Jessica, no, I'm sure it was hook up Jessica and marry Jessica and kill Portia and Nerissa.
Lorenzo is also a liar now.
Ooh.
Lies
Love-
caught.
Come on. No. But yeah, I would hook up and marry Jessica. Always, forever.
Great, rivalry solved then.
Hi everyone, this is Graciano and I am Graciano's Nerissa. So Graciano, Nerissa wants to know that what made you fall in love with her?
Okay. So for all of it, alcohol had a very big hand to play. And another thing, I think it was the attraction, the infatuation that Graciano had towards Nerissa, that lust, or maybe he was just sexually frustrated.
Okay, this is interesting. And the second question is, what is love for you?
As in love for Graciano,
Graciano.
right? Okay. So that poor bastard is drunk all the time, so he doesn't know what love is
That's you
exactly.
also.
Yeah, that's Graciano.
Me, you should
Yeah.
say that.
Yes. What love is for Graciano? Love is, I think Graciano wants company, someone to be there, someone he can go to. I don't know if I'm being clear or not, but
You are.
he's looking for a companion. I think companionship more than, and that's where the love is coming in the picture. So I think that is the meaning of love for Graciano. Now, what about you? What do you think, Nerissa thinks of love?
I think first I'll tell you what love is not for Nerissa. So basically, I feel it's not about a process.
Okay.
Okay, it's about attraction. Maybe about okay, this one is interesting. It can be about good looks, and good looks because that's a part of attraction. I feel.
And Graciano is very manly, mind you.
Okay, accepted. ठीक है. I mean, okay, fine. Yeah, so this is my answer. That's it.
And what made you fall in love with Graciano? What did you see in him, that drunk bastard?
I think Graciano should actually thank Portia for that and Bassanio because somewhere I feel Nerissa was helping Portia choose her better half. So I think somewhere she also wanted a special person in her life as well. And because Graciano was with Bassanio from Venice till Benton and there was no one around, so maybe no options. So why not Graciano?
Fear of missing out.
Can be. Yeah.
That did not hurt at all.
Your answer was also very deep.
Yes,
But it's
it
okay.
was.
But
yes.
it's okay.
But yeah.
I've accepted you.
Well, thank you, my lady.
So Jessica, everyone's been asking us about love. What is love to you?
So according to me, love is exactly how I show it to you. Love is exactly how I left my father for you. How I left my religion for you. I mean, the person who raised me. I left him. I left everything behind just for Lorenzo. So I guess that's love for me. Love is blind, and I would do anything for my Lorenzo.
How lucky I am. Wow.
So Lorenzo, what is love according to you?
Love to me is Jessica. Jessica is all about love. Like anything you tell me about Jessica is love. That's all to me.
So I guess it's very clear for everybody about the love of Lorenzo and Jessica.
Thank you.